Meals with Simon. So today we're doing Oriental Style baked sea bream. That's going to be stuffed with fresh basil, tomato, finely sliced red onion, finely sliced ginger and lemon slices, and some red chilli, medium red chilli. It's going to be seasoned with some sea salt and some ground black pepper. It's going to then be baked in the oven for about 25 minutes on 170 degrees C.
And served with yellow rice, lemon wedges and green peas.
Make it easy to eat. I'm just trimming off the fins. That's what I tend to do when I'm eating whole fish. So, finely slicing the tomato into wedges, just one tomato as usual, ripened on the windowsill. Particularly fish like this that have got a lot. So I'm just scoring through the flesh, just as you would if you were barbecuing this. Help the flavours cook through. So the tomato wedges have been placed under the fish in a baking tray or baking and Pyrex dishes I'm using, and I'm now very finely slicing about a thumb's length of ginger that's already been peeled, and I want to get this really wafer thin. And the last bit I'm just going to cut into strips. So the ginger wedges just being pressed into the top grooves on the fish. Finally slicing after I've halved the fresh chilies. Probably about one chilli per person. If you like it reasonably spicy, if you're not, just half a chilli per person. Depends on the size of the fish as well. Some of the chilli goes inside. Some of the chilli sprinkled around. And some of the chilli is going to go on the top. So, one of the lemons, cutting into slices. Oh, that was close. Some of the lemon wedge into the carcass. Sea breams don't have a very big carcass, so you can't get that much in. And then just some lemon on top. Just a gentle sprinkle of coarse ground black pepper and a little bit of sea salt, and just spraying on a little bit of oil. So fresh basil, stalks and all. You could use Thai basil leaves for this if you can get hold of them. I'm just using some fresh basil that's been growing. This is just normal Italian or Greek basil, but it'll do for this meal. Some of the basil's been put in the carcass, some on top, and now I'm just sealing it with foil, and then it's going to be baked in the oven for about 25 minutes. So very finely chopping the red onions. Because I want them to go really small into the rice dish that's accompanying this. So I'm doing yellow coconut rice. Oops, so easy. Plain rice, adding the finely chopped red onion, just one, small to medium one. So this is some coconut cream, keep in the fridge, then it's hard. That's going into the rice. Yellow coconut rice. I'm adding just a little bit of turmeric, just about a teaspoon. So the coconut cream soon melts into the rice. I've just added boiling water. There's already been some salt in with the rice, so the boiling water will melt the coconut cream, and I'm just making sure it's thoroughly stirred so that it doesn't stick. So just in the last minute, stirring in about a couple of tablespoons of the fresh coriander. Adds a lovely final level of flavour to the yellow coconut rice. MealswithSimon, you can create into a mould if you want to do arty.
Would you try this out? Comment while you're in below. Please like, subscribe or follow for more smashing foods and recipes.
Thanks for watching.